Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is a very simple problem. This problem is sent one of my students, so I'm going to solve these problems for the students, for that particular students those who send me this problem, right? So have a look. So this is problem based on the laws of indices. In these problems, when I'm going to solve these problems, we are going to use the laws of indices. Look at it very carefully, you will easily understand. So here, what we are going to do, so 4 means we can write 2 square. So 4 means we can write 2 square, right? 2 2s are 4. So in the numerator, we write the same thing. I'll repeat it in the denominator. Instead of 4, I'll write 2 square. Can you write? Yes. Because 2 square means 4. Okay. And I'll write same thing. So 2 square, 4. Instead of 4, I have written 2 square. Now, once law of indices, I'm going to apply a to the power m whole to the power n. We can interchange the power. We can also write a to the power n whole to the power n. This is the law of indices. So here also I'm going to interchange the power. So in the what is there in the numerator, I will like the same thing. 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Here I'm going to interchange the power. 2 to the power n whole to the power 2 minus 1. Why I am interchange? Because I'm going to use the identities, that is a square minus b square identities I'm going to use. So let's have a look. In the numerator it will remain same, but the denominator 2n whole square, instead of 1 I can write 1 square, because 1 square you will get 1. Why I have written 1 square? Because now you can see it is a square minus b square. As you know that a square minus b square formula is a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square formula is a plus b, a minus b. So here I'll write a plus b and a minus b. In the numerator 2 to the power n minus 1. So this one and this one will cancel. 1 by this one. 2 raised to the power n plus 1. And this is the answer. This is the answer.